Hi, this is Greg with BBQ Outlet, and I'm here to talk to you today about the Fire Magic Echelon Diamond Series grill. They're made in America out of City of Industry, California, and they offer innovation without compromise. Fire Magic Echelon Series grills feature these massive H-shaped cast stainless steel burners that'll allow you to get to a top temperature of over 900 degrees. You can use that to get a phenomenal sear on your steaks, or you can clean it very easily. These grills take the guesswork out of cooking thanks to their chrome digital thermometer that allows you to see the temperature of the grill surface, see the internal temperature of your food, and set alarms to notify you when the food has reached the desired temperature. So one of my favorite things about this grill is the Diamond Sear cooking grids provide a nice flat cooking surface. So if you're doing burgers or anything that you need to flip over, you can get under it with a real big spatula and flip it over super easy, 3 or 4 burgers at a time. That way I'm not sitting here for minutes at a time, just going one after the other. Whether it's doing a big roast or if you're doing a steak on there, you just get that sear and it's so fast and you just get a really nice juicy steak at the end of it because you're not just overcooking the rest of the meat. Now, if all that sounds a bit technical to you, they offer a standard analog thermometer as well. For bold styling and technology, add a Fire Magic Echelon grill to your kitchen.